How you doing, streamers? My name is Dim, and welcome to our first ever Learn with Dim video. Today, we're going to be using AI to generate a full month's worth of video content ideas in under 2 minutes. If you just want to skip straight to the tutorial, it's totally fine. Just find the time codes in the description below. Now, if you aren't aware, AI is taking over our world. Don't worry, it's nothing like that. In fact, AI is here to help in a really big way. Now, AI is nothing new. We've had it for quite some time actually, but with the introduction of applications like ChatGPT and Midjourney, it's causing internet levels of disruption. ChatGPT, for example, is a natural language processing tool powered by AI technology that allows you to have extremely human-like conversations with a chatbot. Right now, ChatGPT can help you write essays, create a resume, write code, even an app. While ChatGPT is incredibly impressive and continues to get better every single day, that is not what we're here to talk about. AutoGPT is like ChatGPT on steroids. Why? Because while ChatGPT takes a prompt and gives you a reply or response, AutoGPT works completely autonomously. AutoGPT is goal-oriented, which means that it takes a single prompt from a user and creates other tasks and other prompts to help achieve that goal. This ability for it to self-generate prompts and complete tasks is why it's being called an autonomous AI agent. So you might be asking, I'm just a simple Twitch streamer reacting to live streamer fails content. Why do I care about AutoGPT? Well, just chatting streamer, I'm glad you asked. Streamers that are looking to generate content ideas quickly and efficiently can actually benefit greatly from AutoGPT. So if you happen to be a content creator who's been creating content for a while, or maybe you're brand new and aren't really sure how to start or what ideas to focus your time on, something like AutoGPT can quickly generate content ideas for you and then help kind of move that process along much faster. I'm going to demonstrate how I can use AutoGPT to create a month's worth of video content ideas for my channel. This is something that would normally take me a couple hours, but right now I'm going to do it in just a couple of minutes. Alrighty guys, we are currently using AgentGPT, which is an interface that allows us to configure and deploy autonomous AI agents. The first thing we have to do is give the AI agent a goal. I think for this first idea, we're going to keep it extremely general. All I'm going to say is that I'm a Twitch streamer trying to come up with video content ideas. Okay guys, I think I've figured out our first goal prompt for this scenario. It reads, you are a gamer and streamer on the live streaming platform Twitch. Every week, you create video content about battle royale video games like Fortnite, Call of Duty, Warzone, and Apex Legends. Your goal is to generate a month's worth of YouTube video content ideas. You want to publish 2 YouTube videos per week for a total of 8 videos. Provide a list of video ideas and a script outline for each. So we're going to deploy the agent and watch it work magic. So right now it's analyzing the prompt and adding a bunch of different tasks. Whoa, okay, look at what it came up with. It said mark task completed. Wait, what did it do? Okay, holy crap. So it says the first task. So here are some popular battle royale streamers and their unique content ideas that you can use to inspire your own. Shroud, insane sniper shots. Ninja, top 10 clutch moments. Tfue, challenges and dares. Courage JD, insane trick shots. Dr. Lupo, charity streams. Whoa, okay. That's already a lot of really interesting ideas. Okay, this is the next thing it says. As an AI task execution agent, I have analyzed the trending topics in the battle royale genre and generated the following video content ideas for your YouTube channel. Video 1, 10 tips to win in Fortnite Season X. Oh, it even gave me like an intro and overview. What? Video 2, the best Warzone loadouts. Okay, that's something that Tim the Tatman does constantly. Video 3, the top 5 Apex Legends characters and why they're the best. Video 4, the evolution of battle royale games. Video 5, the ultimate guide to solos in battle royale. Video 6, the best battle royale games you've never played. Video 7, the rise of mobile battle royale games. Okay, it says this agent has maxed out on loops. To save your wallet, this agent is shutting down. You can configure the number of loops in the advanced setting. Okay, I think that's pretty good for our example, for sure. I don't want to overspend money on this. By the way, on this last task, it says generate a month's worth of YouTube video content ideas for a gaming streamer. So the response that it gave me was for video 1, top 10 tips for winning in Fortnite script outline. And then it actually gave me some tips. So tip 1, always land in a remote location to avoid early battles. Tip 2, prioritize gathering materials for building structures. Tip 3, stay aware of the shrinking storm circle. Now, of course, these are a lot of like really basic Fortnite 101 tips, but the point is that it just generated this in a couple of minutes. It didn't take much time at all to do this. Okay, video 2, it says exploring the history of Call of Duty Warzone. So the script says introduction to Call of Duty Warzone and its popularity, brief overview of the Call of Duty franchise and its evolution over time, discussion of the history of Warzone and how it fits into the larger franchise, examination of the different game modes and how they function, analysis of the weapons and loadouts available in Warzone and how they have changed over time. Okay, and then video 3, mastering Apex Legends script outline, which gave us introduction to Apex Legends and its unique gameplay mechanics, brief overview of the different legends available and their abilities, and an in-depth analysis of each legend and their strengths. And that's basically where it cut off there. So just from that one example, you can see truly how powerful this AgentGPT can be. I gave it one prompt and I gave it a goal, and it spit out a bunch of brainstorming ideas that now I can take that and use it for future content ideas. Okay, one thing that's really important to note is that if you actually like the response that AgentGPT gives you, you're gonna want some kind of way of saving that information because it does spit out a lot of information for you. So what you can do is go to this top right corner here where it says export, use the drop down to basically save it as an image, copy it to maybe a note-taking app that you have, or you can just save it as a PDF, which is what we're gonna do ourselves. Okay, for this next scenario, we're gonna get a little bit more specific. Instead of talking about a general category of Battle Royale, we're gonna give it a specific video game and ask it to come up with content ideas for that video game. Okay, so I've written out our second scenario goal prompt. Here it is. You are a content creator on YouTube publishing videos about the popular asymmetric horror game Dead by Daylight. Your goal is to generate a list of YouTube video title ideas covering Dead by Daylight content. So we're gonna deploy Agent and kind of see where this goes. All right, it says all tasks completed and it's shutting down, so let's review. First, added 3 tasks. The first task says generate a list of popular Dead by Daylight characters and generate video titles featuring gameplay with them. The second task says analyze search engine data and social media trends to identify popular topics related to Dead by Daylight and use that information to generate new video title ideas. Third task, utilize natural language processing to analyze comments on existing Dead by Daylight videos and generate new video title ideas based on common themes or questions. Holy crap. All right, so here are some of the ideas that it's giving me. The best tricks and traps with the Trapper in Dead by Daylight. Surviving with style. Playing as Meg Thomas in Dead by Daylight. The ultimate guide to playing as the nurse in Dead by Daylight. How to master the hag in Dead by Daylight. Dead by Daylight playing as the Wraith, stealth tactics. Becoming a pro with the Legion in Dead by Daylight. Crazy. Okay, in the second task, it says, here are some Dead by Daylight video title ideas based on search engine data and social media trends analysis. 10 most underrated killers in Dead by Daylight. Survivor tips. How to escape a pro killer in Dead by Daylight. Ranking all Dead by Daylight perks, which one to use and which ones to avoid. The best maps for survivors in Dead by Daylight. New chapter speculation. Who will be the next killer and survivor? Killer build guide. Best add-ons and perks for Dead by Daylight. Dead by Daylight tournament highlights, best plays and moments. For the third task, it says here are some video content ideas based on common themes and questions from comments on existing videos. How to survive as a solo player in Dead by Daylight. Top 5 most overpowered killers in Dead by Daylight. The best survivor perks for escaping in Dead by Daylight. The ultimate guide to playing as a nurse in Dead by Daylight. How to rank up fast in Dead by Daylight. Dead by Daylight, the most epic escapes and kills. In just a couple of minutes, we now have 30 video ideas for Dead by Daylight. So if you're a Dead by Daylight streamer and you happen to be watching this video, you're welcome. I think you can see the value here. AgentGPT and other AutoGPTs like it are incredibly powerful. While this is still in beta and still in this experimental phase, I think it's offering a lot of really interesting opportunities for streamers and content creators. As this technology matures, it's only going to get better and offer a lot more features for its users. If you happen to try AgentGPT, I'd love to see what prompts you use and what kind of outputs it spits out for you. You can always put your screenshots on Twitter and just tag me at DimTheLightsTTV. If you're interested in other ways that streamers and content creators can use AI tools to level up, definitely let me know in the comments. Until next time, happy streaming. I can get you through this when it hurts and it's bad, yeah.